Exercise 27E. Question number 1. Question number 1. Two angles of a quadrilateral are 89 and 113. If two other angles are equal, find the equal angles. So question number 1, 2 both are same. I am solving here question number 2. So for this questions, draw a rough diagram, a rough quadrilateral. Okay, like this you can draw P, Q, R, S. Now in question number 2, it is given that two angles of quadrilateral are 68 and 76. So you can take any two as 68 and 76. इन दोनों में से सॉरी पी क्यू आर एस एंगल में फोर एंगल्स वी आर हैविंग हियर नो. सो इन पी क्यू आर एस जो टू एंगल गिवन है कोई भी दो आप ले सकते हो. ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल this P is 68 and this Q is 76. Then other two angles are in the ratio 5:7. Whenever we are having values in ratio, we are supposed to take along with x. So the angles are 5x and 7x. So this angle will be 5x and this angle will be 7x. Now as you know by angle sum property of a triangle, that in a triangle the sum of all angles is equals to 180 degree. Similarly in a quadrilateral, so you have to write quadrilateral PQRS. In quadrilateral PQRS, sum of all interior angles. So angle P is there, Q is there, R, then angle S. The sum of these angles equals to how much? 360 degree. Angle P, value of angle P 68 degree. So write 68 plus angle Q 76 plus angle R 5x plus angle S 7x equals to 360. Now you know very well from the algebra part, you can add this two only and this two separately. X में add होगा और digits में add होगा. Clear? So just add this 68 and 76. 144 you will get. Then 5x plus 7x 12x equals to 360. Now transpose this value to the right hand side. So 12x can be written as 12 into x equals to 360 minus 144. Why minus? Because on this side we are having plus. So 12 into x equals to, now subtract this. So 360 minus 144. Okay. 260. And finally x equals to what? 216 divided by 12. Okay, from there we are getting 4 3 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20, 1 remaining, this will become 16, 4 4 ja 16, 3 1 ja 3 18 ja, x is 18. So now you can find these two angles. So angle R equals to 5x, 5x means 5 into x, so 5 into 18, so 90 degree. Similarly angle S is 126. Okay, so this is 126 and this is 90. If you will add 68 plus 76 plus 90 plus 126, if you will add this four angles, you will get 360 exactly. Okay, so like this you have to solve question number 1. Question number 1 में क्या change होगा? दो एंगल आप कोई भी ले लेना, इनको इक्वल एंगल बोला है ना, इक्वल एंगल में x और x ले लेना. कि x और x 2x हो जाएगा, जो डिजिट होगा वो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना, फिर डिवाइड कर देना, आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 you can solve. Then question number 3. Question number 3, all the angles of quadrilateral. So for example, this is your quadrilateral. Okay, and A, B, C, D, and the angles are given to you 4x. Angles are given to you 4x, 5, x plus 2, 7, x minus 20, and 6, x plus 3. So this angle is okay, you can write. This angle is also okay, you can write here. But what about this two? सिंपली वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस। तो ये 5 अंदर जाएगा, इनसाइड जाएगा तो पहले x से मल्टीप्लाई होगा 5x, उसके बाद प्लस है तो प्लस, तो 5 इंटू 2 10, तो ये एंगल आ गया। सिमिलरली 6x प्लस 18, सो दिस सेकेंड एंगल इज 5x प्लस 10, and this third angle is 6x, you can write 7x minus 20, then last is 6x plus 18. Now the same rule, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360. Okay, so angle A 4x plus angle B 5x plus 10 plus angle C 7x minus 20 plus angle D 6x plus 18 equals to 360. Now add x and x together, so 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 6 22, so 22 along with x. Okay, then now add 10 and 18, 28, 28 में 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है plus 8 equals to 360. Now transpose this 8 to the right hand side. So 22x can be written as 22 into x equals to 360 minus 8. And 360 minus 8 equals to how much? 352. And in the last, x equals to 352 divided by 22. Okay. So 352 divided by 22. 11 2 ja 22. 11 3 ja 33, 2 remaining, 2 will become 22, 11 2 ja, sorry, okay, 11 2 ja 22, 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, so we are getting here x equals to 16. Now the angles, angle A equals to 4x, and you can write 4 into x, that is 4 into 16, so from there we are getting 64 degree. Then next is 5x plus 10, so 5 into 16 plus 10, so 90 degree. Clear? Similarly you have to solve 7x minus 20, so from there we are getting 92 degree. Then last one 6x plus 18, so we are getting 114. If you will add all these angles, so you will get sum exactly 360 degree. Okay, so you can solve. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज सेम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में सिर्फ इतना चेंज है कि जो ए पे एंगल बन रहा है आपको उसको 90 लेना है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सिंबल शो हो रहा है बैकग्राउंड में. बाकी सब ऐसे ही होगा, ऐड करके वैल्यू निकालनी है एक्स की, और एंगल बी और एंगल सी निकालना है. क्लियर? देन question number 5, the same question you can solve just like this is your diagram. P Q, sorry, don't take P Q because it is given A B C D, so A B C D. Now it is given angle A is to angle D 1:2, so this is 1x and this is 2x, so value of A 1x, so here we have to write 1x. Then angle D is 2, so we have to write 2x. Then it is given angle C is to angle B, how much? 4:5, so angle C is 4x and angle B is 5x. Okay, so now the same rule, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360. यूज़ दिस वैल्यूज़. ओके, ऐड कर दो, एक्स की वैल्यू निकाल दो, फिर हर एक एंगल में सॉल्व कर दो, आंसर आ जाएगा. सो यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 is over. Then question number 6 also you can solve. Okay, then 6 I am solving. Okay, so in this question we are having angle ABCD in a quadrilateral ABCD. So first angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360. Now the value of angle A, as you can see, this is x. So the angle A total, if we want to write here, ये 48 इतना है, फिर ये x इतना है, तो ये टोटल कितना होगा? एंगल ए टोटल होगा 48 प्लस x. क्लियर? देन एंगल B इज़ गिवन क्लियरली 4x. एंगल C भी गिवन है क्लियरली कितना? 3x. देन एंगल D इज़ ऑल्सो 4x equals to 360. So this x, 1x plus 4x plus 3x plus 4x. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 12x, then transpose this 48 to the right hand side. So 360 plus a minus. 12x can be written as 12 into x. Now 360 minus 48. So from there we are getting 312. Now x equals to what? 312 divided by 12. Okay. So 26 you will get 26 is required answer. 12 1 ja, then 12 2 ja, 24. 7 remaining. This 2 will become 72. 12 6 ja, 72. So value of x is 26. Okay. So now the angles that we have to find. What we have to find? Simply we have to find x. So that is calculated. Okay. Then angle ABC. Where is ABC? ABC. As I explained you, angle ABC means what? The middle value indicates angle. So B that we have to find. And as you can see in B we are having 4. So angle ABC equals to 4 into x. 4 into x. Value of x 26. Calculated now, as you can see. Okay. So 4 into 26. So 26 into 4, 104 we are getting here. So this is 104. If this is 104 means this angle is also 104. Why? Because angle B and angle D both are equal, both are 4x. Okay. Now what we have to find further? So we have to find the next value, angle ACD. Angle ACD. So as you can see, ACD, this total angle is 3x. Na? This total angle is 3x. So value of x is 26 here. So angle C that we have to find. Na? So this angle we don't know. BCD we have to find. So what we will do now, simply we will apply angle sum property in triangle ACD. So ACD में angle sum property, angle A plus angle C plus angle D equals to 180. Okay. Then value of angle A. So this angle only 48. C that we have to find. So write this as angle ACD. ACD plus value of D 104 equals to 180. So from there we are getting 152. So transpose कर दो तो 180 minus 152. Okay, 28 degree we are getting. So this is 28 degree and 3x. So 3x means what? 3 into 26. तो 3 into 26 कितना होगा? 78. तो ये 28 है, 78 टोटल है, ये 28 है, तो ये कितना होगा? 50. Don't calculate this, I am explaining only. Okay. So this is your required answer. Then question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all the questions are same. Okay. Just solve this. If you are having any doubt, do message. And in question number 11, use straight angle property. Okay, use straight angle property. 70 plus inside linear pair बनाएगा तो inside 110 आएगा. Okay, from there you will get answers.